Greetings, my name is Patrick Phancao with the Asset Protection Center. I am an estate planning attorney focused in the field of asset protection and elder law out in the state of California and Florida. Let's talk about how to pay for nursing home. That's a rather simple question, but it actually has quite a bit of involvement when it comes down to it. So, as in anything in life, the more you understand your options, the less stress it carries. So there are really just three ways to go about paying for nursing home. There is the private pay, there is long-term care, and then there is Medi-Cal. So let's cover the three briefly. For private pay, it's self-explanatory. It is you or the family member that basically pays out the cost on a monthly basis of what it charges for caring for your family member. So as you can tell, it's a rather daunting task, not only for the individual and his or her spouse, but the family members as well, because of course, no office will tell you that, but it is not a requirement that you deplete the individual's entire life savings in order for him or her to qualify for Medi-Cal. So be wary of that. If you have anywhere from $200,000 to $1 million in assets, it is still possible for you to qualify for Medi-Cal. Then there is the long-term care. Long-term care is a form of insurance that you've paid in previous years, and in the event that you have some type of incapacity or that you're suffering from some type of mental illness and need to be put in a nursing home, the insurance coverage will cover the premium. It's not uncommon for elder people ranging anywhere from 55 to onwards, basically, to realize that even though long-term care is a very useful tool, by the time they want to purchase it, their premiums is kind of counterproductive as to having to pay for the actual nursing home. So there's a big movement at the moment for a long-term care instrument that is quite successful, and it's called the asset-based long-term care. So that's, out of all the available options, that's one you want to keep in mind. You want to research into it because it ends up being quite useful even later in your life. And then finally, there is the eventual Medi-Cal, which is where the government pays for your stay in the nursing home. As in countless previous videos I've mentioned, there are ways to qualify for it and to minimize the estate recovery that the government would do in the event that you qualify and then they incur a huge bill on your expenses, and then on your estate they'll try to collect whatever they had to expense out. So do talk to a qualified elder law attorney in order to get your financial universe in order. I hope that was helpful. If you want to find out more information, visit us at www.assetprotectioncenter.com or call me 714-966-2646. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you next time.